Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm just basically taking you with me today to like a day in my life. It's like 10 AM now. I'm just gonna go and do stuff for school. And then at 2 PM I have a driving lesson. And after my driving lesson, I'm quite stressed about it. But after my driving lesson, I have like 20 minutes to get ready. And then I will take the train to my friend, her house. She lives like 40 minutes away, and it's really exciting because tonight at 7 PM I think the Shawn Mendes documentary is coming out, and I know this friend because of Shawn, obviously. And there's also a friend from Denmark coming for the weekend, and yesterday she texted me, I'm going to the Netherlands tomorrow, and I was like, dude, what the fuck. She's coming tonight and she's just staying for like 2 days, and I decided to surprise her because she was like, oh my god, I want to see you, and I'm like, I can't. But now I found out that I can, so I'm just gonna go there tonight and surprise her and just have a nice day with them because I have to work tomorrow. I'm not really sure if I will stay over, but I think I will because that would be really fun. If you're excited for today, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, have fun. I called my mom and then it was like, Mom, call me back. And then she called me back and I didn't pick up. Nice. I want to see this guy so bad. Like, I've been talking about it for months and I've been saying that I want to see him so bad for months, but now his show is sold out and I can't find tickets anywhere, and oh my god, I really want to go so bad. So I hope I can still find tickets, but I don't think so because it's like a really intimate show. Like, there's only like 200 people, so I don't know if I will find tickets, but hopefully. Okay, yeah. Alright, so I'm literally going away for one night. Like, literally, I leave at like 4 PM today and I come home at 11 AM tomorrow. I need to bring this, and I just don't want to walk around with different stuff. So I just put, look, I'm just gonna go and put this here, and then here my clothes, and then I'm done. But like, I don't want to walk around with different bags, so I'm just gonna bring my suitcase. It's easier. I'm just gonna go and get ready now and then have my driving lesson and then leave. I want to see a makeup routine, comment, because I can do that. Well, I'm just bringing a pajama, my scrunchies because I always bring my scrunchies, makeup, toiletries, my brush, mirror. This t-shirt is what I'm wearing. This, I don't even know what it's called, but it's like this thing you sleep in. Body spray. And I'm bringing my camera. And that's it. So like, I don't have to bring, like, I can fit it in just this bag, but like then I have to hold this, and I don't know if I want to hold that. So, not really sure what to do.
Where's my... Where are you going now?
Hi.
Hi? Where's my phone?
virginity. Really? And
Okay, well, right going.
can you give me a shout out?
Shout out to you.
Honestly,
What's your Instagram? Michelle something in Danish. Like your name.
Just can't talk. That's how I say it. Can't. I don't know.
What?
Skånhild. Did you know the only one in the entire world is named that?
Like, how do you think you pronounce my last name? Do you know my last name?
Oh wait, no. Schumacher. Schumacher. Sorry.
It's fine. Schumacher. That one. Okay. Oh my god.
What's my
Hi guys, I didn't really put an end to this vlog because I'm just really not so good at vlogging. I didn't really vlog anymore. Like, it was kind of just like filming instead of actual vlogging. But I don't know. But I kind of want to try vlogging more, so I might start doing like a week in my life, like weekly vlogs. But I'm not sure because I'm like quite busy with college and everything. But I might try because I do like it. And when I did those videos in Dutch, everyone really liked them. So I might try, but I'm not sure. Also guys, just one more thing. I know this is really annoying, but there's this contest where you can like win Shawn Mendes tickets. And the person who gets the most points wins the tickets with meet and greet. And I'm number 5 now, and I'm like quite far behind the number 1 right now actually, but that's fine. I just want to ask if you guys could click the link in the description box and then sign up. For every person that signs up, I get 10 extra points and I can win a Shawn Mendes meet and greet for next year. And I would really appreciate it if you guys would do that. It costs like 2 seconds out of your day and it will mean a lot to me. So the link is down in the description box. Thank you. Bye. Anyways, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I hope you liked it. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!